Local manufacturers should strive to make quality products to effectively compete with imports in the local and international markets. Kenya Bureau of Standards Rift Valley Regional Manager Cyrus Wambari says consumers are particular on product quality, their rights and their cost for value for their money, which determines their preferences.
The COVID-19 pandemic has adversely affected local industries, some of who have been compromising on quality. Due to this, Kenya Bureau of Standards Rift Valley Regional Manager Cyrus Wambari says the standards body has rolled out a 2-month rapid response initiative to rid the local market of contraband goods, which he says floods the country during the festive season. Wambari is calling on Kenyans to collaborate with government agencies in fighting contraband products, noting that this will go a long way in creating an environment for local industries to thrive.
Work together with the Kenya Bureau of Standards so that they can come up with the products, or we can come up with the products that assure consumers of the highest quality products, which ensure not only performance but safety of those products.
The county government of Nakuru voiced support, noting that there was a need to push for quality products.
Support the local economy and keep the jobs. There is nothing wrong with that if we do it, because we have a national policy called Buy Kenya, Build Kenya.
Reporting for Lunchtime News, my name is Hibak Said.